Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to disable the checkboxes on icons or folders here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the case is when you try to select a particular icon here or any image, you would be able to see a checkbox here the moment you've selected, including the folders as well as the applications or even the shortcuts here in the desktop. So if you navigate also to the File Explorer, if you bring it up, and if you will try to select the desktop, there would be a checkbox that will mark the moment we've selected a particular file folder or shortcut or icon here, as well as the File Explorer. So in order to fix the problem, in order to disable that, we'll be performing a very basic step. Okay, so first things first, we need to bring up our File Explorer again. So at the button search bar, please type for File Explorer. So this is in case if you haven't seen your File Explorer being pinned at the taskbar, you can simply search it here at the button search bar, or you can simply press Windows and letter E as an eagle key together. In that way, you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. So once a best match would appear, please click on Open to continue. So here, you need to proceed to the upper center of the screen. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it and scroll down and click on Options. And once you have bring up this folder options, you need to proceed on view. And from here under the advanced settings, you need to locate for use checkboxes to select items. Now, one of the factor why you face an error is that you have turned this on. So it's very important to uncheck it. Go with apply and then OK. So the moment you will select here at the File Explorer, you won't be able to see checkboxes anymore. So see, we haven't seen any checkboxes that is being appearing next to it the moment we've selected here in our File Explorer, as well as the desktop also, we haven't seen any checkboxes anymore. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.